and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you two methods to find page views in Google Analytics 4. Let's get started. For method 1, logging to your Google Analytics account, go to the left-hand navigation bar and click on the Reports tab. Now, in the Reports section, go to Engagement. Under this tab, you'll see an option called Pages and Screens. Click on it to open the report for page-specific data. Once you're in the Pages and Screens report, look for the metric labeled Views. This represents the total page views for each page on your website. You can analyze individual pages and their performance right from here. Now, let's move on to the second method. Here, we will create a custom report to examine page views in detail. First, go to the Explore section in GA4. Once there, click on the blank option to start creating a new custom report. Next, click the plus icon next to the Dimensions tab. From the list, choose Page Title and Page Path and Screen Class as your dimensions. Once selected, click the Confirm button to add them to the Variables column. Now, drag and drop or double-click these dimensions to place them in the Rows section. This will organize your data based on these dimensions. To add metrics, click the plus icon next to the Metrics tab. Search for Views under the Page/Screen category. Select it and click Confirm to add it to the Variables column. Finally, drag and drop or double-click the Views metric into the Value section. Once added, your customized report will display page views data based on your selected dimensions and metrics. And there you have it. You've successfully created a customized page view report in Google Analytics 4. Custom reports make it so much easier to focus on the metrics and dimensions that matter to your analysis. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trusted Web e-Services for more actionable tutorials.